Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's Bagadan, Stock Market Caddy, Saturday, November 16th at about 9 a.m. And no, this is not my scorecard. This is Scott's scorecard. And Scott, I hope you don't mind. I wanted to offer an observation, and at the same time, I want to maintain your privacy, but share this with everyone. This is really, really good. And thank you for sharing this scorecard with us. By the way, Scott is in the latter stages of his Q school. We've been together 1 to 2 hours a day for almost 3 weeks, and this week he was flying the plane totally on his own. We didn't speak. We've yet to speak, actually, other than an email just yesterday to receive the scorecard. Really, really nice. Let me share with everyone what is going on here. First thing is the dates. His first trading day was Wednesday, November 13th. And let's take a look. He's trading the NASDAQ TradeStation. Now, he doesn't tell us exactly what he was trading. So, Scott, I'll be really curious myself. I'll maintain your specifics as far as settings and whatnot, but it's entirely up to you. The total trade count was 22 trades. He had 15 wins, 7 losses, for a win-loss ratio of 68%, and that's very good. That's a lot of trades. However, if I'm trading by machine or the machine is putting them in, I really don't care about how many trades. If I'm having to make decisions, I try to keep the trade count down to about 5 a day. His gross profit, his gross loss, his net profit, and a profit factor of 2.07, meaning he's making $2.07 for every dollar expended. That's very, very good. By the way, Scott, I can double check the math on these cells. The average winners and average losers, I just ran a quick check and I don't think they're calculating right. So we may have to redo the Excel formula for those boxes. The next day, the 14th, again, NASDAQ, 25 trades. The average winner wasn't 10,000. Yeah, it wasn't that. It would be the gross profit divided by 17. So that's the cell is wrong there. The win-loss ratio, though, is correct at 68%. The net 13,000. Profit factor 3.97. Excellent. The 14th, also on the 14th. Actually, these are all on the 14th. So the 14th was a busy day. And that is on the Russell, 3 trades on the Russell and $2,000. Doesn't have a profit factor here. What we do there is he had all winners in that market. And generally what we'll do is we'll put in as a loss the commissions, which is only be a handful. So that profit factor would have been out of sight that day. Also, these are all on the 14th. I get it. Wow, this is a week's worth, but it's really just 2 days. That's crazy good. And everybody can see across profit factor 1.68. And here he's trading in Ninja, which we have a lot of folks that have both TradeStation and Ninja, and it's totally fine, and had a profit factor here of 71. So overall, for just 2 days of trading, 72 trades, 54 wins, 18 losses, an average winner, in this case it did calculate correctly, you just gross profit divided by the wins, 540. The average loser, 369. The win-loss ratio, 75%, which isn't necessarily that important to us, but it is a feel-good metric because at 75%, it's going to feel wonderful. The gross profit, the gross loss, the net, 22,518.58, and the profit factor of 4.39. That's just really, really good, really sound. Scott, congratulations. Thanks for sharing it with us. And I look forward to hearing the details. And And if anyone's interested and you want to send me a note, I'm happy to, if with Scott's permission, share with you how he was approaching it. Um, we wish everyone the best and great success. Again, thanks again, Scott. Have a great week. Now, next week, he may not or may not. His net profit may exceed this. It may be less than this, but he's not going to compete with himself on the money. If he wants to get a judgment call on how he's trading from one day to the next, but particularly 1 week to the next, it'll be the profit factor. At 4.39, he's making $4.39 for every dollar expended. Is a beautiful thing. Have fun, everyone. Thanks again, Scott.